lot of research, right? What's something you learned from the research?
That whenever it goes up, it looks kind of like a bomb. It just goes out everywhere.
Spills out everywhere when it goes up, okay. Step 3.
State your hypothesis.
State your hypothesis. Okay, so who says that the orange Fanta will be the highest? We're the orange Fanta people. I have 2 of them. How about from Miss Jandro's class? Anybody? This is orange Fanta right here. Couple people? All right. Who had root beer? Who thinks root beer will go the highest? All right. How about Sprite?
Yep, I changed my mind.
And the last one, Diet Coke. Who thinks Diet Coke will go the highest? All right. Okay, steps 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4. Who's got step 4?
Test your hypothesis.
So now we're going to test it, also known as experiment, the fun part. Okay, we'll do the rest of the steps later. All right, I need you guys to take about 10 steps back.
It's going to be awesome. Hey, Tyler, sword him in the camera.
Okay, moment of truth.
Where's your safety goggles, Mrs. Coleman?
I actually forgot them.
You probably have swim goggles.
I did see the pair that students came in with that big.
Gotta get away.
All right. No, I don't want to try.
You guys might want to take a few steps. Kind of bad. Yeah, you might want to take a few steps back.
Okay, orange Fanta people, who are you again? Hey, here's yours. Count down backwards for me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hey, I hope you kept an eye on it so you can measure with these others. That's right, I gotta change clothes for the Y anyways. All right. Okay, Sprite people, who are you? Sprite. Okay.
I changed my mind though.
It's all right. You ready? Let's just count backwards from 5 this time. That took a long time. All right, ready? 5.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go.
Okay, last one. Diet Coke. Who's the Diet Coke people? Miss John goes Diet Coke too. All right, are you ready? Start for 5. Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we did steps 1, 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yeah.
What was step 5?
Analyze your data.
So let's analyze which pop did go the highest. All right, good. Okay, have a seat, or not have a seat, go back over there. Okay, that's all we have to share. I do have some